So my dudes, welcome to the video. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Garage Makeover series, episode number 1-ish. Kind of cheated. I got started without you guys. I'm pretty new to YouTube. I've had this channel for a while and I just haven't really messed with it for a while, so cut me some slack. I'm new. But no, guys, we're going to be doing a remodel or makeover series on the garage here. I'm excited. I can't wait. I've been wanting to do this for years. I'm finally getting around to doing it. You know, going to make this garage from something not so nice into something hopefully pretty nice. But guys, I'm excited. Today is day 1, and I just picked up the new toolbox. It's in the back of the van and I'm excited, dudes. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. It's a beast, but we're gonna give it a go. And then but I'm excited. I'm ready to get this thing out and see what we got. This is kind of the first piece of the puzzle, and then everything else is gonna kind of go around it. But dudes, I'm excited. Let's go open up that garage and get started. Okay guys, I got my homemade ramps made. Should be strong enough. This is a 600-pound toolbox. I am by myself. I need to get it out of the back of the van. So the best I could come up with is rigging up a ramp system. Let's see if it works. I'm hoping so. It's holding me. I know I'm only 200 pounds, but when you only got one guy, you got to improvise. So here we go. No. That was fucking fun. Probably wasn't best for it, but it's heavy duty. Let's see if she survived. What's up, guys? We got it out of the van. Kind of regained my wind here, but this is what Santa Claus brought me for Christmas. This, my dudes, is a fucking beast of a toolbox. Let's get her over here where we can take some nice shots of her. This is a 72-inch adjustable top. The top can go up and down. Pretty cool. This is gonna look nice, so I'm excited, ready to get some tools in this bad boy, get it put in its home. We are currently in the process of redoing the garage. So, you know, all this has got to come out. Got new drywall, mud, paint, all the good stuff. So all my old shelving, everything else is gonna come out of here. We've done some work up here in the ceiling. We're getting rid of this whole stupid box shenanigans that's going on up here. But yeah, we're gonna do the whole garage. I believe I've got the color. We're doing it in, I believe this is called Euro Gray. We're gonna do the Euro Gray with the black cabinets. I bought birch. We're gonna be making our own cabinets because I'm not paying $200 to $300 per cabinet. But yeah, this is that Husky, dudes. Pretty good. You know, brand new. Very nice, very nice. Comes with all the goodies. Got the rubber mats for the bottom. I'm excited, and we'll get this all put together and get it in its home. Like I said, I'm getting rid of these two, and then this is going to go in its place with some overhead cabinets. And then yeah, we'll have ourselves a nice little shop over there, and it should look pretty good. Pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna get cracking on this, guys. Get this thing all put together, get some stuff switched over, and we'll see you once we get everything put in this dude and it set in its place.